Hey, so hello and welcome back everyone to this another beautiful, wonderful video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about three important announcements made by ICSI. Lately, ICSI have taken few steps regarding your answer papers, and I feel कि ICSI ने कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो सही नहीं किया है. That is what we are going to discuss over here. So listen very carefully. You'll be able to understand what is going on. Now, एवरीबडी नोज कि आफ्टर द रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, ठीक है, सारे बच्चे अप्लाई करते हैं फॉर सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज, राइट? यू अप्लाई फॉर योर सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज. नाउ फॉर अप्लाइंग सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज थ्रू दे वेर टू method of applying for certified copies. The first way was through RTI, that is Right to Information portal, and then the other was ICSI Smash portal, right? Now, if you apply from from the RTI portal, you did not have to pay a lot hefty fee for that, right? It was just 10 rupees per paper. Now, if you apply from Smash portal, it is around 500 rupees per paper. Everybody knows that, right? That was the thing which was going on. See, and after that, suddenly in the December 2024 attempt, ICSI have decided कि we will not charge, we will provide it for free. Now, suddenly in the June 2025 attempt, again ICSI have started charging the fee. The prescribed fee for inspection of answer book is 450 per subject, and for supply of certified copies of answer book is 500 per subject. Understood? 500. प्रीवियसली 500 नहीं लेते थे, ठीक है, प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट में उससे पहले लेते थे, लेकिन इस बार फिर से उन लोगों ने 500 लेना चालू कर दिया. नाउ आई विल शो यू समथिंग. ये तीनों अनाउंसमेंट मैं एक जगह पे आपको दिखा देता हूँ. द फर्स्ट इज द वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ मार्क्स that we were discussing. The second is the inspection of answer book. The third is the supply of certified copies of answer book. Now, what is the difference between all these three? Verification of marks means if you have a doubt कि आपका जो marks allocation है वो सही से नहीं हुआ है, understood, then you apply for the verification of marks, where I'll show you over here. See, if you feel कि टोटलिंग या फिर पोस्टिंग ऑफ मार्क्स में कुछ एरर हुआ है, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ मार्क्स. नाउ हाउ डू दे वेरीफाई? दे विल नॉट गिव यू द पेपर. They will see themselves if any mistake has been done for allotment and all these things. If no mistake is done, or if mistake is done, the new marks will be communicated to the candidate. Okay. No revaluation of answer book is permitted. उसके बाद revaluation it is not possible. You will not get the answer paper itself, but वो लोग check करके देंगे कि marks verification सही से, मतलब you got the marks or not. Okay. Inspection of answer books means you are asking for the answer book from ICSI. The candidate is informed. After all the process is done, the candidate is informed to personally visit the Directorate of Examination of the Institute at Noida for checking your answer paper. You are asking your answer paper that you will check yourself ki what mistake you have done. Physical copy you are asking for. In the third notification, it is around supply of certified copies of the answer book. Now here everybody applies for this. Here you get a digital copy of your answer book. Okay. See, supply of certified copies, scanned copies of the answer book in PDF format is hosted on the website. The candidates are provided with secured login ID and password through email and SMS by the institute to access the PDF file and take print out of the same for their references. This is what we apply for, right? This is what we need. If we get the answer paper ourselves, then we'll be able to understand ki what we have to do. Verification of marks will do, or inspection of books, whatever it is needed, right? अगर कोई mistake है नहीं है, what kind of mistake we made, or what kind of marks they have awarded us, वो अगर check करना है तो we ask for the PDF format of the copy, right? Now see, this is to be done within 30 days and 30 days and 21 days verification of marks, and these are the portals. You check the fees out here. Rupees 500 per subject. This is 450 per subject, and this is 250 per subject. 500 per subject because this is the only thing which ICSI, understands कि student ask this a lot. Nobody goes and asks for verification of marks because you are not going to show us our paper. Why will we trust you? So we trust our paper. We ask for the paper, and if you give us our books in the PDF format, then we will be able to understand ki it was our mistake or ICSI mistake. So they charge hefty amount, 500 rupees per subject. Okay, now this I'm talking about 2025. Understood? This is not a previous notification. This notification is of 2025 June. This recent notification, it came out yesterday or today, I guess. Okay, I don't see the date over here. Now what happened, I'll tell you. See, this notification came out on December 2024 session. Supply of copies of answer book to the students of CS examination December 2024 session through the ICSI examination answer book portal. Okay, here you could apply for the answer paper completely free of cost. Understood? Here you don't need to pay that hefty amount of 500 rupees for each paper. It is not for all the paper, each paper. Now, the institute provides the facility of supply of copy of answer books to the students on their request for the December 2024 session at ICSI examination answer book portal. The copy of the evaluated answer book shall be supplied to the applicant students within the prescribed time as per the record retention schedule. Ordinarily 45 days you have to apply within. Okay. Now this was for the December 2024 attempt. Again, I'm showing you December 2024 session. Okay. Okay, so let me see if it's written free or not, because it was the free section. Okay, this notification was all about providing it for free. Now what they requested us was, see, students are requested to apply for scanned copies of answer book at this portal only and not through RTI. I think कि गवर्नमेंट से कोई डांट वाट उनको मिला होगा, पता नहीं, RTI से उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया, बोला कि RTI से करो मत. Answer books are in public domain and available free of cost at this portal. Completely free of cost, you can apply for it. Now, I don't know why they have taken out this notification for 500 rupees per subject. Supply of certified copies of the answer book. Okay, this is June 2025 session. Now, I'll tell you one thing. I think I am understanding this wrong, or it is actually ICSI who is trying to play with us. Okay, but as per my knowledge, I'm not understanding it wrong. Whatever comment you have, you drop your comments in the comment section. One more thing I'll show you. Now this facility of the free answer paper, you know, this is still there or not, I don't know. Okay, you can apply for your June attempt paper or not, I don't know, but I have the link. I have saved the link over here. This is the link. Okay, this is where you have to apply for your answer book, that is completely free of cost, which was provided. This facility was provided for the December 2024 attempt. Now it is available for June 2025 attempt or not, I don't know. Okay, but this is the link which student used for applying for their answer paper during the December 2024 session. I'll make this link available in the description below. You try this out after you get your results. Your results are going to come out pretty soon, 25 August. That is just 2 days left. Okay, and you apply from here if you want to apply. Understood? If it is registered, then good. If it is not registered, then you have to pay a hefty amount of around 500 rupees. Now I'll tell you why this is very much crucial for every student, even students who passed and students who didn't pass the examination. Each and every student should apply for your answer copies. Okay, so that you understand how you performed. This is very vital. Okay, I ask all my students to apply for it. Understood? No matter you passed or didn't pass. Student who didn't pass, 100% you have to attempt. You have to ask for the papers. Understood? So you apply through this. If it is not possible, then you apply from the Smash portal that ICSI have. See, I'll show you. They have given a user manual for it. Okay, student have to go to the Smash portal. Just a second. Yeah, just can't erase this, I think. Oh, I can. So user manual document Smash. Okay, you have to go to this, and then this is the process. Actually, you have to go to the Smash portal. You know this is your portal, right? You know this. You have to go to your module, examination, then verification of marks and all this. Okay, this is the entire thing. This is the 500 rupees that they will charge. Okay, you have to pay the fee. And then you have to add the request. Understood? Now this is what what you are going to do. This is the process. This is the second method of applying for it, which ICS is suggesting to apply, but I'm not sure if this portal is working or not. You have to try and see. Anybody, and I'm speaking to everybody who's watching this video, if this portal does not work, okay, this portal does not work, I think we cannot sit quiet. We have to, let this message go across ICSI's head, because they should understand that this is our right to get our copy free of cost. If they are not applying for it, we'll apply through RTI. So I'll suggest one more thing, कि you apply from this. If it is working, well and good. If it is not working, apply from RTI only. Okay, apply through the RTI portal. Understood? How to apply from the RTI portal, I have made a video for that also. I'll link that video in the description below. After applying from RTI portal, then you apply. Then if it is not working, or if it is not showing in the RTI portal, I'm not sure if it will show or not, because ICSI in the previous session, they have given us this portal saying that you don't have to apply through the RTI portal. Okay, so we don't know, we are blank. After the results are announced, we have to try all the possible ways. Students who have a lot of money can just apply from here, and students who are very much thinking about their situation and their upcoming generations who are going to study CS, they should contact ICSI, drop mails. I'll drop some mail ID in the description below. You drop this mail to the ICSI and let them know that what we want. We want the restoration of this portal. Okay, but you don't have to drop your mails now. You have to drop it after the results are out, because you have to check this works or not. I'm not sure if it will work or not. Okay, so this is the announcement. I hope students who came here for the announcement, you understood how you are going to apply for the paper if you want, right? So that's it. Thank you so much everyone. Happy learning guys. Bye bye and take care.